high school learners. Welcome back to school. I am sure you are all excited to make this academic year a phenomenal one. Welcome to Earth Science Lab class, and I can't wait to see how awesome you can be. This is Ma'am Don Fernandez, your teacher in service. Are you ready? Get your paper and pen, and we will start our lesson. Our Earth has natural resources that are used to support life and meet people's needs, one of which is water. Don't you know that our planet Earth is composed of 75% water? Yes! Water is a substance that forms water resources such as oceans, lakes, and rivers. Our resources are facing threat from a variety of factors, the majority of which are driven by human activities. The impact of these activities on the quality and availability of water for human consumption would be considerably reduced if these activities were addressed. But before that, let us discuss the characteristics of water.
Water quality describes the condition of the water, including chemical, physical, and biological characteristics, usually concerning its suitability for a particular purpose, such as drinking or swimming. Some of the physical attributes of water include temperature, color, taste, odor, and turbidity. Temperature of water affects some of the important physical properties and characteristics. Thermal capacity, density, specific weight, viscosity, surface tension, specific conductivity, salinity, solubility of dissolved gases. Color, on the other hand, is primarily a concern of water quality for aesthetic reasons. Colored water gives the appearance of being unfit to drink, even though the water may be perfectly safe for public use. It can indicate the presence of organic substances, such as algae or humid compounds. More recently, color has been used as a qualitative assessment of the presence of potentially hazardous or toxic organic materials in water. Taste and odor are human perception of a water quality. Human perception of taste include sour, salty, sweet, and bitter. Relatively simple compounds produce a sour and salty tastes. However, sweet and bitter tastes are produced by more complex organic compounds. Humans detect many more types of odor than taste. Organic materials discharge directly to water, such as falling leaves. Runoff are sources of taste and odor-producing compounds released during biodegradation. Furthermore, turbidity is a measure of the light-transmitting properties of water and is comprised of suspended and colloidal material. It is important for health and aesthetic reasons. The chemical characteristics of natural water are a reflection of the soils and rocks with which the water has been in contact. In addition, agricultural and urban runoff and municipal and industrial treated wastewater impact the water quality. Microbial and chemical transformation also affect the chemical characteristics of water. Water with good quality is good for human consumption. Water availability is defined as the quantity of water that can be used for human purposes without significant harm to ecosystem or other users. However, our water resources face a host of serious threats. Currently, about 40% of the world's population lives in water-stressed areas. Water scarcity occurs when the amount of water withdrawn from lakes, river, or groundwater is so great that the water supplies are no longer adequate to satisfy all human or ecosystem requirements, resulting in increased competition between water users and other demands. Water scarcity can be caused primarily by human activities, which promotes sedimentation, pollution, climate change, deforestation, landscape changes, and urban growth. Human waste disposal contributes to pollution of the air, land, and water resources. Such pollution can affect the quality of rainwater and water resources, both above and below ground, thus damaging our natural system.
Although it is difficult to instantly put an end to such problems, people must manage, develop, and protect water and related resources in an environmentally and economically sound manner. How about you? How can you protect our water resources? Done? Let us check your answers. What is a measure of the light transmitting properties of water and is composed of suspended and colloidal material? A. Odor, B. Color, C. Taste, or D. Turbidity? The correct answer is turbidity. What affects the chemical characteristics of water? A. Temperature, B. Organic materials, C. Colloidal materials, or D. Microbial transformations. The correct answer is letter D. Microbial transformations. How will you promote water conservation effectively as a student? A. By making vlogs, B. By posting updates about water resources, C. By conducting a seminar on water conservation, or D. By practicing simple but effective tips of water conservation. The correct answer is letter D. By practicing simple but effective tips of water conservation. Did you get a perfect score? That's awesome! Well, for those who haven't, don't worry, because you can still replay this video after. Oh, and I hope that you will apply what you have learned today. This is Earth Science 11 class, and I'm Dawn Fernandez, your teacher in service. Until next time,